Howdy, in this video, we'll give you one more example on the conditional probability. Let's assume this scenario. For the entire population, 95% people like fish and 5% people don't like fish. Then for those who like fish, 97% will also like chicken. For those who don't like fish, 20% chance they will like chicken. Now you're dating a girl or boy. You know that your date doesn't like chicken. Then what is the probability of him or her of liking fish? Now let's assign a few notations. So let's call C. C means those who like chicken. And NC is the ones who don't like chicken, so no chicken. Then F is those who like fish. And NF is the ones who don't like fish. We have 4 scenarios here. Someone who can like both fish and chicken. The inverse U shape means and. Someone who can like fish but dislikes chicken. Someone who dislikes fish but likes chicken. And someone hates both fish and chicken. Let's look at this one by one. So the probability of someone who likes fish and chicken is simply the probability of someone who likes fish, which is 95%. And we know that 97% of those people who also like chicken multiplied by 97%, that gives 92.12%. Then for those who likes fish but does not like chicken, that's 95%, and only 3% of those people who do not like chicken. And this gives you 2.85%. Now, looking at the people who don't like fish. For those who don't like fish but like chicken, there's 5% people not liking fish. And in these people, 20% like chicken. That gives us 1%. And for people who don't like fish and who don't like chicken, that's 5% of the population, and 80% out of these people will not like chicken. That gives you 4%. So you know your date doesn't like chicken, so he or she falls into these 2 categories. So the probability of your date liking fish is 2.85%, then divided by 2.85% plus 4%. That gives you 41.6% chance she will like fish. This is less than 50% chance, so probably not a good idea to order fish for dinner on your first date. Coming back to the title of today's video, conditional probability. So what is the condition here? The 41.6% is the probability of someone who likes fish in the condition that this person does not like chicken.